In today's video, I want to introduce an amazing indicator that helps you in a smart money concept method of trading. To add this wonderful indicator to our chart, here we click on indicators and we search smart money concept. We add this one. Smart Money Concept Expo, which is written by someone named Zahirman, if I'm pronouncing the name correctly. Alright, as you can see, some levels and words are added to our price chart. If you're familiar with Smart Money Concept trading techniques, so you know what they mean and how they are used for trading. And if you're not familiar with Smart Money Concept and these levels and words, don't worry, I'll explain them now. Smart money is the large capital that is used by banks, institutional traders and investors, hedge funds, and other large financial entities to buy and sell assets in financial markets. Actually, that's the smart money that drives the market considerably. Since the smart money causes the movement of the market, so it's important for retail traders to trade in alignment with smart money. And smart money concept is the methodology or trading techniques to determine how and why the market makers with their large capital, who are known as smart money, are trading in the market. The method is nothing new and it's just a combination of key levels and traditional supply and demand zone with market structure to help traders better understand the areas of the market with higher potential of smart money flowing. This indicator provides the most important smart money concept principles, including break of market structure, change of character, current trading range, premium and discount levels, fractals, and swing structure. Alright, let's get into more details. If you're familiar with price charts, so you know that the market has a structure. It's trending up, it's trending down, or it's not trending, and this structure is constantly changing. In uptrends, we have higher highs and we have higher lows, and you can see that this indicator is perfectly showing them. HH for higher high and HL for higher low. Each of these higher highs create a supply zone, which means that we expect increased supply in this area. So there is a probability to have declining of the price when the price hits this level. And when this level is broken, I mean the previous higher high, this means that the uptrend is actually developing. This breaking is called break of market structure or BMS, which you can see that this indicator is perfectly showing these breakings when this uptrend is developing and continuing its upside direction. In fact, when we have these breakings, it's a confirmation that the uptrend is still in place and probably going to develop more. These breakings are one of the potential areas of smart money flowing, and please pay attention when the price cannot break the previous high, I mean the previous higher high, it's a sign that the uptrend is in a danger and a reversal can happen or probably a range market can develop, which I'll explain later about this. And on the other hand, in downtrends, we have lower highs and lower lows. Here in this example, the lower high is not well positioned, but the lower lows are in a good situation, which the lower lows are actually the focus point in downtrends. LH is for lower high and LL for lower low. Sometimes they are not written, but these small green and red dots are also shown, which are active by default here in the settings, which are actually structure points of the market. Alright, in downtrends, each of these lower lows create a demand zone, which means we expect increasing of demand and probably advancing of the price. And when the level is broken, I mean the previous lower low is broken, the indicator shows BMS, breaking of market structure, and it's actually a confirmation that probably the downtrend is going to continue its direction. Another concept here is changing of character, which is shown by CHOCH, and it actually happens when the structure of the market is changing. For example, here from downtrend to an uptrend, and change of character happens when the price breaks the previous lower high in downtrend, or in the case of uptrends, change of character happens when the price breaks the previous higher low. This is a sign of major shift in the balance of power between bulls and bears, and this is a potential area for smart money flowing. So many of the times it's a sign of reversal, but you must know that many of the times the price goes to a trading range, or we can have increased volatility like this case, as you can see, which suddenly we had sharp declining of the price after this change of character before we can have a reversal. And again, reversal may not happen, and for example, after being in a trading range for a while, the price price may continue its prior direction. So the lowest risk interpretation of change of character is that the prior trend is weakening, and taking any decision on reversal need more confirmation. For example, in this case, a valid down break out of this range can confirm reversal. As you can see, this indicator is also perfectly showing us the current range by the help of these yellow lines, and also premium and discount area within this range, which the green area is discount area, or in other words demand zone, and the red area is premium area, or in other words supply zone. When the range is well developed, they can provide trading opportunities by buying at discount and selling at premium. Here in the settings, you can add more information to your chart. For example, you can add fractals, which every turning points of the market are shown, including many noises. In case if you need fractals for analyzing the chart, you can simply add it from here, but having just the structure points are good enough to analyze the structure of the market. You can also show market structure trend, which this line will be added to your chart, and it gives a linear representation of the market structure, and with changing color between red and green depending on the status of the market structure. This indicator is a very sophisticated and well-designed tool that has combined all the necessary and most important features for trading based on smart money concept method, and by perfectly providing them on the chart, it helps you to easily analyze the market structure and take your trading decisions based on a smart money concept. Alright, that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and leave a comment for me. I'll answer your questions as soon as possible. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell so you get the notifications of my new videos. See you guys in next video, and good luck with your trading.